Hello and welcome. It's Lisa with Harmony House Art. I'm glad you're here with me today. Thank you so much. So I've always thought that every painting has a story, and here's the one that goes with this painting. In my mind, I thought I was going to make a real flowy kelp kind of plant being swayed by the currents, and with the turquoise gradient background. And it was beautiful in my head. And I mixed all of the paints with the Pebeo pouring medium to kind of liquefy them so they'd slide around on the canvas better. The coolest thing of all is how incredibly shiny the finished piece is with no varnish. When you see the last couple of the dry videos, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's just amazing. So anyway, so here I am with the 4-inch freestyle brush, trying to give this kelpy looking underwater plant some movement and groove, and it's okay. I'm not upset with it yet. This is the golden turquoise that I absolutely love, and I think okay, so I dried this layer so that the next layer would be more distinct, and using the same brush and just using the golden phthalo green blue hue now, and just still trying to get it to something I love, and it's not there yet. In fact, by now it's starting to feel like a big heavy cactus or something, and it's just not. It's not at all the light movement and flowing and ebbing and flowing, and so you know how it goes. You have this incredible thing in your head, and then you just go with whatever happens, and that's kind of how this one worked out. I ended up going with the flow. In fact, I think I started to dry this layer, and about halfway through drying, thought, oh, no, I don't want to do that. I want to keep going with this and get some more turquoise and more white, and let's get some highlights. And the white did help lighten it up a little bit, but I still am not loving the shape of the thing. It's still too heavy. And I'm using the brush just like you might use a catalyst wedge if you've used a catalyst wedge to make those cool swirly things. Doing the same thing with the brush, so you kind of start with it on end, on the point, and then you might bend it over, lay it over to one side, and then straighten it back up, and then lay it to the other side and straighten it back up. Anyway, if you've used a wedge, you know what I'm talking about. And that's all I'm doing, just trying to make big, flowy, sweepy, underwater things. So I did realize the problem and turned the camera back on to catch this gold, which I love. Now I used the Deco Art 24K with the Pebeo pouring medium and left it really thick so I could get big gold veins of movement, like the like you might see the sunlight filtering through the water, and that's what I was going for. I'm not sure that's what I got, but I love the final piece. Love, 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 love it. And have already started my next one. So you'll be seeing this again. I hope you like it. I just fell in love with it. And this movement is so hypnotic, mesmerizing, the way you can kind of do the brush back and forth. It's really relaxing and soothing, and it's just a super fun thing to try. I'm definitely not an expert, and that shows, but that's never stopped me from trying, so just keep going till I get better at it. But it's finally starting to look like it's got the movement that I was going for. And the flow, I can feel it ebbing and flowing now, like a current would move it. I hope you enjoyed the video and the little bit of storytelling that I think every painting kind of has its own story, and maybe it deserves to be told. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll leave you in peace for now, and hope to see you again soon. Thank you again. Bye-bye.